Aloha.
Hello! Nasa Davao na kami. Pag na yung background namin, hindi na yung makalat naming likod.
Senyor Mew.
I'm gonna open packs today. I haven't slept yet.
So, ang bubuksan natin yung natirang Heatwave Arena. Saka,
151.
151.
So we're gonna open 1 pack of 151 and 1 pack of Heatwave Arena.
Let's go. Ano mauna? 151?
Ayan na, nabuksan mo. Sige na. So, buksan mo na si Senyor Mio.
Yeah.
Ayusin mo yung pagkakabukas mo. Malay mo, godpack pala yan. Tatabi natin yung lagayan yan.
Expect kami ng God Pack. Walang pat trick. Walang trick.
Ah, wala ba?
Walang trick kapag God Pack.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? 1,
1,
2, 3. Whoop!
Uy, squirt.
Squirta. Hindi siya God Pack.
Spiro.
Charmander. Sino to? Poliwag.
Victory Bell. Weeping Bell.
Correct.
Another one!
Pre-diving!
Yan na yung AR natin. Third one na namin.
Yay! May punyetang Gengar! Ay, sorry.
Pokeball.
Sa wakas, may
Tag
Gengar
trio.
na. Fighter.
Starmie.
Hino
Meron
Queen!
din.
Pampuno ng binder. So, ito ang final AR namin. Wala siya kay Senyor Mew.
Oh, ito na. Basic na tayo.
Oh! Ang dami namin lang pang dagdag sa binder.
Ay, Pius. Gusto mong bilhin? Kasi pang ilan na namin to. This is
Okay.
our third one.
Asan na ang ating may wagang sleeve?
Oh, panis. May dala akong top loader. Top loader. May dala akong sleeve. I'm ready.
Medyo maganda border niya. Ganda. Oh, look the shine, baby. Oh. Alam mo, bagay yung ilagay sa dagat to mamaya.
Pwede din. Maybe that's why we got a water talaga.
Kakanood kasi natin ng Water Rips eh.
You know guys, Water Rips is the only person we know na may gusto kay water.
Yeah.
And we're so actually happy that we saw him kasi sobrang kakaiba niya. Siya lang yung may gusto kay water.
One more sleeve for the Gengi.
We
And
don't have
Diglett.
the pocket sleeves lang.
Okay lang. Sige lang. Marami
I
tayo niya.
didn't brought ng penny sleeves.
Ang hirap na hirap kami kunin to. Ang ganda ng art. Kades. Pero ang hirap niya kunin actually. Kung makita niyo sa rarity niya.
May print lines
Rare na.
ulit.
Pokeball yan eh. Diba?
May print
Mas masaya
lines.
sana ang Pokeball to kasi holo lang.
May print lines ulit. Japan, you're failing your quality control.
Mas maganda quality nila sa Master Ball pero sa Pokeballs.
But still, wala naman yan from the previous
Yeah.
boxes. Japan, you're failing your quality control. Oh my god, very effective. Or this
Ito,
new prints.
kailangan natin to. Ito, kailangan
Yeah, but
natin
we don't
to.
even have that.
Sleep pa ba natin
feeling
to?
ko kailangan natin to.
Okay.
Excess.
Sige, sleep na rin yan. Yoshigi Dan eh. Ito mo kailangan namin. Tatakpa ko ng Meowth tsaka Charmander. Okay naman si Senyor Mew. Wala.
I don't know.
We'll know tomorrow.
Last pack.
EX lang ata yung nahanap natin dito, di ba?
Oo. We've already completed the ARs here. I don't think may God pack sa ganito. Parang sa 151 and Terastal lang may God packs.
One pack to the front lang talaga.
One card.
Okay.
Why are you always saying pack?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, whoop. Sino to? Ogerpon. Sa'yo. Sa mud something. Very cute Pichu-chan.
Phoebus.
Yup. Slugma.
Gabay.
Slugmasan. Cinchas Roselia.
Ayan ma.
Hello.
Yan ma, yan mega.
Yan ma. Crustle. Hello. Wala tayong holo shaman.
Ala.
Crustle.
Ayan, nakuha nating AR.
Yeah.
Very bad AR.
So, masaya kami sa nakuha.
May war turtle na naman kami kasi nasa
Third
dagat
one.
kami.
Tatlong box
That's
na kami
the
na
third
151.
one.
Consistent na white turtle.
Consistent na war turtle AR. Di kami binibigyan ng Blastoise SAR. I want the Blastoise SAR. I don't really care about Charizard. Why are you giving us a Charizard?
Siya lang. Bukas ulit. Unless gusto mong buksan na ngayon yung iba.
No, tomorrow. Bye-bye. I need to
Bye-bye.
sleep. I haven't slept yet.